Is your 2014-2019 Cadillac CTS key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money, potentially $50 to $100 compared to dealership service, and only takes a few minutes. This video will guide you through the simple DIY process. Your Cadillac CTS key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. This is a widely available 3-volt lithium battery. To confirm the battery type, check inside the fob for the battery label. Consult your owner's manual online via GM's website, or verify CR2032 specifications as a 3-volt lithium coin cell. You can purchase CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, or online retailers like Amazon for around $1 to $5 per battery. You'll need a few simple tools to replace your Cadillac CTS key fob battery safely. First, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The plastic pry tool is preferred because it won't scratch the fob surface. Second, optionally, a keychain ring separator if your fob is attached to a key ring. Finally, work on a clean, dry surface to avoid damaging the fob's electronics with static electricity or moisture. Once the fob is open, you'll see the battery compartment. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Use your fingernail or a small tool to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely seated in the compartment. First, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Align the edges precisely and press firmly until you hear or feel a secure click. This ensures the battery compartment is properly enclosed and protected. Next, inspect the fob to ensure the two halves are tightly sealed with no visible gaps. Run your finger along the edges to confirm it's secure. A proper seal prevents moisture from entering and damaging the electronics. Now test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons from a distance of about 10 to 15 feet from the vehicle. Press each button firmly and listen for the car's horn or see the lights flash. The response should be immediate and consistent. If the car doesn't respond immediately after testing, the fob may need reprogramming. This is common after battery replacement and involves a simple procedure using the car's ignition and buttons. Check your owner's manual for the specific steps for your 2014-2019 Cadillac CTS model. Once reassembled and tested, you can attach any keychains or accessories to your fob for convenience. Make sure everything is secure before use. In about 15% of cases, the key fob may need reprogramming after battery replacement. Start by entering your Cadillac CTS and closing all doors. Next, insert the key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then, hold the lock button on the key fob. If this doesn't work, try cycling the car's ignition on and off 10 times. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by double-checking the battery polarity and ensuring it's new and fully charged. Next, clean the battery contacts inside the fob to remove any corrosion or debris. If problems persist, a professional diagnostic with an OBD2 scanner may be needed to check for deeper issues, like a faulty transmitter module. Remember, incorrect battery placement accounts for many failures, so always double-check. Consider visiting online Cadillac forums for model-specific advice.